Alright, and we're back with another sparring match. Here we have myself in the white and my friend from work, Will. Bit of a size difference here. As you can see, he's able to push me around when we tie up, which I was trying to do a lot every time he, got too close to me. He's wanting to close the gap. I'm trying to use my reach advantage. I have a slight reach on him and keep him on the outside of that. So we're kind of battling, having a battle for that distance. Who's going to control the distance? Big swing and a miss there. I'm having a hard time getting through his guard. He keeps his hands pretty high. So I'm having trouble breaking through that here. So here he is weaving in, trying to close the distance, and I catch him a little short hook on his way in. I'm getting a little more comfortable with the range here, I think. Starting to find that zone where I can hit him and he can't quite hit me. Looking winded already. A touch of gloves, respect. So yeah, I was pretty tentative here. I was having a hard time committing to throwing something. Scared of getting hit with a big shot. Can you blame me? So here he catches me with the right hand. I'm trying to circle around, shuffling my feet, trying to parry his lead hand, and then yeah, he just flashes his jab out and then catches me with a backhand. And you can see him there, he's pinning me against the wall. When we tie up, he kind of controls. He's having a lot of success controlling the movement when we tie up. There we go. There's a straight right left hook. Basic combination. Slid in and closed and tied up as soon as I was done throwing that. So there I fake a kick and then throw a shot over top of it. Not exactly a boxing move, but so there I'm leaning against the wall trying to catch my breath because I'm just gassed. It's surprising how fast you get gassed sometimes when you can't relax. Even when there's not a lot of action, I'm tensed up, anticipating his shots. There I tried to frame against him, and yeah, he kind of catches me with a bit of a low blow there as his arm was sweeping across to push my other arm. And that was it for me.